to my channel. Before I start, happy Sunday, happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day to my wonderful father. I love you so much. Happy Father's Day to Daddy Vold, to my brother Yonju, to my brother-in-law Ron, my friend. I love you guys. You guys are the best, and I want you to have an amazing Father's Day. We cannot live without you, and you do so much for us. Father's Day should be every day because we know how much you contribute to the family. Alrighty, so today's episode is going to be my monthly favorites. I know it's the middle of the month, but these are from last month and they're not that many, so this is going to be really fun and enjoyable for you guys because I just adore these and I've been using them literally every day. Let us start with Twilly, and the fragrance is by Hermes. It's a fruity, sweet fragrance, absolutely gorgeous. And what I love about this is that it changes throughout the day. As your body changes, your body chemistry changes, that's how it changes, and you smell as sweet as punch. It's one of the fragrances I reach out for during the spring and summer. Absolutely yummy. Oh. All right, this is a gadget. Cannot do without it. I have an iPhone 10. Yes, iPhone X. Basically, you have an outlet. You can put this in your phone. This is my phone. Actually, I should be demonstrating. This is my phone. You put this in like so. So you can charge your phone as well as have your headphones as well. I needed this because I was getting so fed up because I FaceTime my family all the time. And when I'm FaceTiming them, then I run out of battery. So I have to pull it out. I have to put in the charger and then I have to speak out loud without my headphones. It's such a drag. I cannot live without this. Get this, guys. And I know Apple is just doing this so that we can spend more money, but this was an absolute necessity. So that is a must-have. I wanted to share it with you guys. Ardell lashes, Wispies. I have them on right now and I cannot live without them. I love them so much. They are buildable. I got this at CVS when I was in New York. Addicted. You can stack them, you can have them as singles. They're spaced out, they're very fluffy. I just love them. They give me that everyday zhuzh. What can I tell you guys? So if you guys are trying to save money and you're thinking, oh, I don't want to spend any more money on lashes, get these. And you get 5 in the packet. Get them at CVS. They're cheap. I think I got them for like $5, but I'm addicted. I'm totally addicted. Love these. Mariana Hewitt is an Instagram celebrity. She came out with Summer Friends, and this is a mask. I adore this mask because I use this when I'm traveling. The hydration just drenches my skin. And when I say drenches, that is what you need, because you know how air in the air, you know how air in the air when you're flying can really sap your moisture and dehydrate you. Fantastic. You just put it on and you leave it on for as long as you want. Then you take a wipe or hot towel and you just wipe it off. Beautiful. Congratulations, darling. I love this. I was pleasantly surprised. It's like a cream. Let me just put a little bit here. And that's what it looks like. So it hydrates and it just stays on like that. And you just take a tissue, you take a damp towel and you just wipe it off. You can also leave it on. And I do that when I'm flying. And when I land, I feel so awake and my skin looks plump and fresh. Adore. Absolutely adore it. Mariana, congratulations. Yeah? Okay. Then I have egg mousse body oil. Love this. And just put some out, rub it in, and it's so moisturizing. I am using this on my legs, on my hands, on my elbows for that extra sheen. It smells like baby. I don't know how else to describe it. It's so soft on the skin. And you know, sometimes for me, if my skin is dry, if I put oil on it, it's still kind of chaffy. So this is almost like a wet oil. That's the only way I can describe it. It's like a wet oil. So it gives you that moisture as well as sheen. I am addicted, absolutely obsessed. Love. ABH sent me these beautiful cream lipsticks in the mail. I love them. I'm wearing Sweet Pea as we speak. And you know what it is? I love liquid lipsticks, don't get me wrong. But there's nothing like having a cream lipstick just to hydrate your lips. This is why I'm so addicted, because not many people are doing lipsticks these days. So Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with 6 gorgeous lipsticks. I have them on my teeth. Beautiful, girls. You have to try them out. Buy 1 or 2, you will not regret it. I am wearing Sweet Pea as we speak, and it is so pretty. Love, 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 love the nudes. Pink can be really funny on me. They can be a little bit too blue, they can be a little bit too pale, but they've done well, you know. So here you have, I'm going to swatch a couple for you guys. Let me swatch Sweet Pea for you here. That's Sweet Pea. Gorgeous on. This, my loves, is Soft Touch. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't it lovely? For summer, you know. This, my loves, is called Nude. Just look. Beautiful. A lot of nudes can come off very pink, very beigey. This comes off peachy. Gorgeous. So this is what you have. ABH, thank you so much for sending this to me, but I would have bought this with my own Ula's money. I would have bought this with Ula's money. I love the nudes in this, so nice. And then you can have them like a little topper in the center of your lip, just to give that Brigitte Bardot pout. Yummy. Love, love, love this. Last but not least, and I am wearing it right now. Don't you love the look? Warrior Palette by Juvia's Place. I think that this is the most diverse, most neutral, most acceptable palette across the board for all skin complexion and ages and careers that Juvia's Place has ever done. I wanted to do something a little bit more muted so that you guys could see how you can go all the way from dramatic, from that Cleopatra goddess, to everyday. You're a nurse, you work on Wall Street, you're an architect, you're going to school, you just want to look cute on the weekends. This palette is everything. It is absolutely everything. I am wearing this color right here, which is the chocolate brown. You know that I'm dark skinned. So for this to pop up, and I am not wearing any black eyeshadow. Girl, when I tell you the sides of my hair are being snatched, love it. The center here, that rusty burnt gold. Just top it on your lid, put it in your tear ducts. Honey, everything. You can also use this color to contour, which I did, just to give it that extra beautiful. Juvia's Place, congratulations. You know I love them. Oh, you know I have a discount code, Fumi, I'll put it down there for you. But I am just loving and living what they're doing. Congratulations, because they were on the Shade Room. Shade Room gave them love. Now, you know that is something, because they just don't show up for every makeup brand. You know what I mean? This is a must-have. This is a must-have of all of their palettes that they have come out with. If you come to me and say, Fumi, I'm a first-timer. Fumi, I'm not really that great with makeup. Fumi, I just want to try a little something. Fumi, I need something for my wedding. Fumi, I want to buy something for my mother, for my sister, for my niece. The Warrior Palette. Bring out the queenette in you. All right, darlings, and that is it. Those are my monthly favorites. You guys, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Have a wonderful Sunday, and I will see you soon. Ulski, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Mwah. Goodbye, darlings. Love you.
Some problems with your phone.